Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm Mark, and in this pool repair video I'm going to show you how to patch and repair a leaking pool. Okay, the first step in repairing a leaking swimming pool is to find the leak, and the only way you're going to do this is to get into the pool and search for it. We've had a couple of small leaks in the past, and we've found small sort of pinholes in the corners of the swimming pool, and sure enough, this time round we found another small little slash, probably 2 millimeters long, in the opposite corner at the bottom. You only need a pinhole to be losing water in your swimming pool, and with this little slash we were losing 2 or 3 centimeters a day over the last couple of days, which prompted me to get in and search for the leak. Now you can buy these repair kits from swimming pool centres. I'm sure if you go to your local swimming pool centre you'll find something very similar. The glue works underwater, and basically all you get within the pack is the glue, some clear plastic and an applicator to spread the glue on the plastic. When cutting the plastic, it's been recommended to cut it in an oval or circle shape. It helps hide it underwater and makes it harder for children to remove. Liberally cover the plastic with the glue. Use the applicator to spread it over completely, and once the glue's on the plastic, get it onto that cut or slash as quick as you can. Once you're there, press the plastic onto the cut and try and just keep it pressed as long as you can hold your breath. I tend to do it on one occasion, and then I'll go down several other times and just make sure it's pressed down firmly. Job done, no more leaks. If you enjoyed this video on how to repair and patch a leaking pool, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.